I believe we are filming. I'm out at the Wallkill field with Al. Say hi, Al.
Hey.
And my as to yet unflown Beech 18. And I may fly it. I don't know. I'm a little nervous. But I'm going to put it on the ground and taxi it around a little bit. There's a little bit of breeze. I'm a little worried about the CG. I believe she's got a 4-cell battery inside, so it shouldn't lack for power since she's designed to fly on 3 or 4-cell. We'll see. There it goes.
Okay.
It's working now.
Yep.
Still looking okay?
Yes, good.
All right. Throttle cut off. You see the going to see if I can do a straight medium speed run down the runway.
Okay. She's almost airborne. The tail's off the ground.
It is off the ground.
Yep.
Oh. You know what, let's test and see if safe is engaged.
It's going to be the bumpiest video you ever did so far.
Yeah, no biggie. See this switch right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn the switch.
Just did.
Didn't make a change. Try the switch in front of it.
This is the switch you told me.
Yeah, turn it. Okay, so that didn't change anything.
Nope.
So the switch in front of it by your thumb.
That one?
No, that's the
Oh,
gear.
this one.
Try that one.
That's on.
Switch it again. Seems like safe is engaged.
How's it? I don't see anything moving.
Well, the surfaces are moving, but I wasn't able to disengage safe. So it might not be set up to be disengaged.
Okay.
So it should work.
Well, it wanted to fly before.
I know that, but it's safe when it's on the ground. Hopefully I'm still filming.
You didn't shut anything off. So
I know I didn't, but that doesn't mean that they didn't shut themselves off. No flaps.
I knew it. It's flying beautiful. Well, you didn't need much power with that.
It's nice.
Smooth, Rick. She seems to be pretty well set up.
Well, remember, safe is on. All right, gear. Gear is up.
Okay. You just wiggled the tail?
Hmm?
You wiggled the tail?
No, I didn't.
Then that must have been safe doing that.
Well, my thumb is shaking a little.
Oh, okay.
It's possible it was on there.
Boy, she's got
And
balls.
I got half a throttle here.
Yeah, she's got balls, Rick.
I definitely got a figure out how to turn off safe.
I wouldn't fuck with it while it's up in the air. I would do that when it's on the ground.
Yeah. Well, I would have figured that I would have set it up already. I'm going to try a notch of flaps.
You float. Yeah, she's float.
Try full flaps. And I have to put a little power in because the flaps add so much drag that it starts to slow down too much. Flying around with full flaps on. Bring it out, make a half flap pass over the runway. At a reasonably low altitude, I would hope. I do have to push the nose down in order to get it to come down.
That's a good thing.
Hope this is getting on the camera.
I believe it is.
Up and over. Can't really go over.
So you wanted to roll?
Well, a loop or a roll is impossible while safe is engaged.
Right, exactly.
And apparently I don't have it on a switch yet. Which is possible, I suppose, but normally that's not how I would do it. Well, it wasn't as smooth as I wanted it to be.
No, a little hard.
There was no up elevator left as I was coming in.
You had no flaps down, though.
Yeah, I had one notch of flaps down.
It didn't look like it.
Yeah, it's actually got full flaps down now. I started to add a little power to stop that descent, but it wasn't early enough.
But it didn't hurt. It just a light bounce.
No. But I want to get to know it.
You're flying it down.
Well, I don't know what I had it set for timer-wise, but I'm counting down to about 0 now.
You got one more left.
I'm going to land it this time.
Yep.
I left the wheels down. I'll leave them down. Seems to be coming down on its own.
Get way the hell back over the grass, Rick, and then you're safe. Because of this wind, what happens? It picks up and lets down, picks up and lets down.
I have one notch of flaps down.
Yes.
Not too bad.
Not bad at all. And she's telling you your time is up, huh?
Yeah. You can definitely, adjust that elevator with a little less up. I didn't seem to have any CG problems.
No.
But then again, I didn't get it off the safe either.
Got throttle cut?
That's throttle cut and it works the way it's supposed to work.
Okay.
Let's see if this here camera is still blinking. I don't see a blinky. Oh wait, it is. Still blinking. So...
You got your video.
I did it! Now when I press this button, it'll stop blinking. Now the video is shut off.
Okay.
Now am I still recording up here?
Yes, you are.
Okay. And